Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm just going to show you a sustainable way to clean out oil from dishes before you put them in a sink. Obviously putting oil in the sink can cause damage to the sewer system, and it's so expensive to fix the sewer system. So in my opinion, I believe the best way to clean out oil from dishes is to apply some powder. In this case we're using flour, or free commercially. They can make some very cheap poorly refined flour to apply. So this is how we do it. Apply some flour. Thereafter, just use a tissue or something like a cloth to clear it off. Can you see what I'm doing? So then ideally you would use this one now to produce energy, or because local authority can now collect this flour mixed with cooking oil for further recycling to use in different settings. So I believe this is the best way of cleaning oil from dishes rather than putting it down the sink. So again guys, if you do like my video and you like my idea of cleaning oil, let me know. And actually this can also be used to produce electricity because it's so rich in energy, but can only be done at commercial level, and it will need support from the water and storage companies.